What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike's Money Tips coming at you today. Coming at you with a quick video to show you how to make some extra money using YouTube and Google and everything. And no, you don't have to get in front of a camera. You don't even have to talk on camera. This is a little side hustle that I've seen and used in the past, and you can make money with it. So without further ado, let's get started. What you want to do, you want to go over to Google, search for link verticity or versity or whatever this is. It's a link shortening website that will actually monetize the links in which you use. See, it says point blank monetize done right. So you click on this link and it'll take you to this website right here. Earn money online, share links, earn money. And where's it at? Since it didn't, here we go. High payout rates. Earn up to $70 per 1,000 views with the best paying link shortening site. Easy administration. They pay out daily in PayPal, PaySafe, or Amazon. They are 100% legit, and they do what they need to do. Of course, you need to register so it's logged to you, not to anybody else. What I suggest doing is going to YouTube, finding a video on whatever you want to basically promote. It's not really promoting it. It's just you're going to help people get other videos out in this process. Really don't know. There we go. So up here in the search bar, if my computer will work, I'll show you what we're going to do. Well, any day now. Thing does not want to load worth nothing. Here we go. It's about time. Actually, I guess I could use Franklin's video right there, but matter of fact, let's do that. Seems like that's probably the quicker way to get it to pull up, so. It appears it's actually already come up, but it's not coming up. Good Lord, this computer's slow. I need a new one. Here we go. Of course, we'll pause it that way we don't, Any day now. That's the reason why I really need y'all to stick around and watch my videos for me. That way it'll help me finally get monetized, and maybe I can get a faster computer to help y'all out a little easier. But the big thing is, you go up here, you copy the link to the video, right? You come back over here and you paste it in here. And you click on make money now. Of course, you got to register everything else. And once you get your link and everything, you come over to Quora, and that was how to make money online. What you do, you go in here, click on the search bar, just type in make money online. And it'll bring up a bunch of different people asking questions here. And what you would do, once you find a question, well, what I would do, I'd probably write all this up in a document. That way, whenever I wanted to go in and answer one of these questions, you go in and, you click on it, and then you answer the question. And if you've already got it written up in a document, all you got to do is copy and paste it. It makes it really easy for, And you can always put a link at the bottom in Quora back to something. You know, you say something about that video really helping you out learning how to make money online because he really knows what he's talking about and everything else. And not to mention, you would actually be able to help out the creator, getting more watch time, views, everything else, possibly likes and everything else. You do that, and where's that here? 100 answers. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I ain't been on Quora in a while. It'll pop it up and it'll look like this if it'll come up. Like I said, my computer's just running so slow. So you would just go in here and what? Why is it doing this to me? I don't know. I have no, here we go. You know, you just copy and paste it right here. That way it's in there. And you can embed your link in wherever you want to, or just, you know, leave the link at the bottom. That's what I would do. The other place you can use is Twitter, believe it or not, of all places. You know, here I was going to use the weight loss niche, but let's do this instead. Make money online. As long as you put the question in quotation marks and then hit enter, it will pull up everybody that's asked that question. And then you can go in and answer this. And remember, any link y'all put on the internet is there forever. See, right here, that wouldn't be. My answer to, okay, you wouldn't want that. See, here you go in and you click on this right here and you would just reply to it. There again, I would have basically a reply ready on a template. Granted, I may go in and modify it for each question, but the gist of everything would already be there. So therefore, it would make it a lot easier. Here again, you're still going to, you know, trade time for money because it's going to take you time to go back through and do all this. But if you want something a little more passive, check out the first link in the description. People there making between $100 to $1,000 a day down there, and you could be one of them, depending on, you know, of course, your work ethic and everything else. I don't know you. I don't know how hard you're going to work. But, you know, remember I bring out videos 3 times a week. Until the next one, we'll talk to you later.